Hey guys, and welcome back. I took it upon myself to try to be a sweet, helpful, caring wife and take one thing off of his plate and mow the lawn today. I'm gonna try to just get this cut for him so it's one less thing he needs to worry about this weekend. Wasn't the right way or a good way, but it's all mowed. Hopefully he appreciates the gesture when he gets home, even if it's definitely not how he would have done it. We're just using 2-foot chicken wire we had left over from a project we bought to make garden fencing. How you like it? Oh, okay. Ta-da! We'll paint it green tomorrow so it's not so rusty. So when I came out here to check on everybody in the brooders, and sorry, I'm sweaty, it's hot outside. When I came to check on everybody, we have a little guy here who can't really get up. Just kidding, guess he was dramatic. Came to rescue him. He's all better. Can't even tell which one it was. Go ahead and get them fresh water and some food. We'll check on them again later, maybe. But yeah, dramatic. So I realized I hadn't really been sharing with you guys a lot about our Muscovies. So I'm gonna, slippery. I'm gonna show you real quick what they have going on in their little coop and run here. So we have, let me get in here. It's dirty, so we still haven't done spring clean out because we have brooding moms and we are trying not to really disturb them. And this over here, this is Appa. Whew. He's our Drake, and then next to him is Dilly. So then over here we have their house. Oh, hi Mama. Oh, look at all the eggs you have. This is Lavender and all her eggs. Blue and her clutch. And over there is Dally and her clutch. So we haven't totally scooped this out. We've added bedding and we've gotten the really nasty bits, but with them brooding, we didn't want to disturb their nests. So we are trying to leave it for them. But here's our mamas. So last year, these moms were completely, well, not completely unsuccessful, but out of the 60 or so eggs we let them clutch between the 4 of them, two hatched. So we're hoping this year they do a little bit better. Oh, look at all the eggs you have. So this is my dad's pet turkey. Anyhow, this is her tractor. And moving on up the hill all the way to the field. And we're gonna try to see if she will be okay with us introducing 17 baby turkeys to her and see if that'll work out. So we're gonna go ahead and reinforce this. My husband's doing that now. It's just kind of broken down as we have moved it around a bunch. So he's gonna reinforce these boards. We are gonna move Natalie out. And we're gonna try our best to heave-ho this on up the hill to the field. And then hopefully she'll have 17 new friends she can gobble away with.
How you doing, Mama?
Guys, it worked. Natalie's very happy to have her babies in here. Everybody's getting along great. She's being sweet to them. They're being sweet to her. There's no pecking. There's no aggression going on at all. So happy it's working out.